How do I feel at Bloqs when I'm there? I feel part of something. It's where I've made my creative home. I loved Lego, and I almost enjoyed the fact that you couldn't get curves, so you had to work harder to make the shapes interesting. Because in addition to the sort of work that I'm asked to do and paid to do, that's my job, I always try and push the template, because that's what excites me and that's what's kept it interesting for me. And rather than me wearing all the hats, the technical side of metalwork, the sort of milling machines, the CNC controlled cutters, I'm very happy for someone else to just do that. The CNC machine is a game changer. It's completely altered the way I do things. Because of what I used to do in another life, I can draw a file on CAD and I know that it's going to work, and I can split that into panels and nest them on a board and then give the material to someone else, and I just get back exactly what I need. You know, I enjoy the community aspect, the culture of making, being around other makers, and the kind of exchange of ideas, expertise. And there's all these sort of interchangeable processes that can help inform your creative development. And I think Bloqs do that very well. They provide a buffet of manufacturing techniques, machines that you can sort of turn to your will and be surrounded by people who are doing the same thing. At Bloqs, they're always looking for what can we do next. You know, the cafe isn't just bacon and eggs, it's harissa and tahini. They're always finding the edges of the template and just leaning against those edges, and I think for me that is a good place for me to be. It's a bit like being back at art college, really. There's a load of people who are excited about what they're doing and they're creating things. There's a generosity to it, and it's really nice to be around that because it reminds me of why I do it.